Good afternoon. You're joining me under Betty today, where today's job is we're going to be trying to get the spigot bearing out of here. And for that, you do need a bearing pulling tool, which we haven't got. So today I'm going to be using an extension with a 10mm socket on it, which just slides through nicely. I'm going to be using 2 slices of white bread, because yesterday I tried brown bread and that didn't work. And we're going to be stuffing the bread into here and hammering it. And apparently the spigot bearing is just going to pop out. We'll see. We'll see. I think the reason it's not going to hammer out though is because I haven't got the proper hammer for the job. And I did use a rubber mallet for the job as well, but that didn't work. And then the mallet part of it, I hammered it so much, the mallet just dropped off. And if this doesn't work, I have from Amazon overnighted a bearing pulling tool with a sliding hammer, which will be tomorrow's video. Has it done anything? Anything at all? Just want it to pop out. But what is good about doing it this way is, if it doesn't work, at least you've got something to eat underneath the car.